I'm Mike Falco from Alair Homes North York. We do custom renovations and new home builds. When Cheryl reached out to us, she was looking to do something with her home. So what we did is we took her through our planning stage and showed her the possibilities of what can be done in this home. Things like opening up walls, vaulted ceilings, new lighting, new flooring is really going to make this place look great. So when it came to lighting, we highly recommended to put PAL lights throughout. With the vaulted ceilings in the new areas and the lower ceilings in the older area, it really gave a good transition of lighting throughout the whole entire home. We're finishing up the rough-in stage and getting ready to close everything off, and you can see wall space was an issue here, so we had to group all the switches in one location. You may be asking, why is there purple wire? And like every industry, there's been shortages, and it was difficult to source out electrical wire, and we were able to find one supplier that had a skid of purple wire. So we took it and used it, and it's going to be behind walls, so no one will see it, but this will be the first house with purple wire. So if you take a look at the vaulted ceiling, you can see our layout that we did for PAL lights. We tried to make things symmetrical and use the space that we have to really spread out and give it a nice natural look and feel with the light that it's going to produce for us. With the lighting in this area, we really had to get creative with what was existing, and we incorporated all new PAL lights throughout. You'll notice there's a few extra holes cut out, and that was to get the wires across to the new locations. With this new kitchen layout, there's going to be some really cool features like a double oven located here, a pot filler that you'll be able to easily fill up your pot and boil water quickly on top of the stove, under cabinet lighting, upper cabinet lighting. It's really gonna tie in all nicely and look really great. The kitchen's gonna extend further into the old living space here, and it's gonna feature a single fridge, a wine fridge, a freezer, a built-in coffee machine. It's gonna look incredible. What's really cool about this front entranceway is we added in-floor heating. There'll be a fully programmable thermostat here to control the temperature of the floor, and it'll be really nice when you come in on those cold winter days, take off your boot, hit the floor, and your toes will be nice and warm. In most of our renovations, we always find an issue with the existing panel. Most of the time it's outdated, it's completely full, the breakers are hard to find. So in this case, what we'll be doing here is removing this panel, putting in a completely brand new one, tying in all the new circuits, and it's gonna look really sharp.